Hello and welcome to EGW Writings Tech Tips. I'm your host, Daryl Thompson. Thank you for joining us today in another of our series on learning how to use the new egwwritings.org website. Now today what I'm going to be showing you is how to do the basic function of copying and pasting text from the new EGW Writings website browser into another application like an email or Word or any document that you would like to paste the text into. And there are two methods. I will show you both. I have opened up in front of me EGW Writings website. The first one is just like you use on any other website. You just select the text by doing a click, running your mouse through the text to select it, and then just lift your mouse at the end. Now, if you're at that point, you can just go Control-C or Edit Copy, and then you can go across to your Word or email or anything and go Control-V or Edit Paste. Both will work. And there you go. But when you do that, you notice that you have no idea where the reference is or came from. You would have to add that in yourself. So we have built in some tools for you to be able to do lots of things when you're copying the text, but you need to use our copy tool to be able to do that. So let's come back here and let's select a little piece of text. And when I select that, you'll notice a little tiny toolbox pops up here. You've got copy up the top in the toolbar, and you've got copy down here. It's the bottom left-hand corner icon in the copy toolbox. It also says copy text. And when you select that, you can see that you've got three tabs here: copy, print, and share. Copy, print, and share. But we're going to be on the copy one. There are all these checkboxes that you can check off. The default one that is checked is ref code. So if I click on copy selection there and come back here, notice this time when I paste the text, it gives me the reference of the text that I copied. If I select the text up here, and I select this time, I could say copy headers, okay? It will actually paste the headers in the text. So see how it now puts, and I wouldn't need to have the reference, but it puts like the whole title of the book and page and the author at the top, neatly. If I had unselected here, in this, when I click on here, copy ref codes and just go copy headers and go copy selection, it would neatly put at the top the Great Controversy, page 472, Ellen G. White. So if you want to, use this in a sermon or in something that you want to share on social media, it's very useful for doing that. Now there's another useful feature that we have in here. So say I select this sentence of text and I click copy. I can also say embed URL link. And if I copy this selection and I want to go and paste this on a social media account, you can see here that I have a useful link back to EGW Writings that if a person clicks on, they can reference back to the website where you got this link from. So there's some of the tools that we have buried in the copy link. There's also copy the page breaks if you so desire to do that. And you can also copy the formatting. So if you use a particular font or you've highlighted or got colors, it will actually take that across. So if you've got highlights, and we'll do that later on. Now the last section here is you can actually copy a range. So if I want to copy a range here, I could say I want to go from Great Controversy page 480 through to Great Controversy page 491.2. I go copy range. And now when I paste this text here, you can see how I have the whole range of text. If I so desire, I can just click any length of text and click on copy. I can actually copy the whole chapter of text here as well. So you can see here, here's the whole chapter all copied out. Now I copied at the heading every one. I suggest that when you do copy chapter, that you basically don't have anything selected, and you just go copy chapter, because then it will give you the pure text per paragraph. See that? All neatly laid out. Okay, so that is the copy function in the EGW Writings website, that we have built some extra special tools in there for you to be able to extract out, the formatting, the headers, the page breaks, the markup, the layout. You can do a range, you can do a selection, you can do the chapter. You can even add an embedded link back to the website. Well, hope that is useful in creating studies and lessons and presentations from the writings of Ellen G. White, or just for your own notes. Well, thanks for joining us today in another of our tech tips, learning how to use the new egwwritings.org website. Bye for now.